And the gopis are thinking, he left us because we're not good enough, we're not genuine. All these verses are there. The gopis are not seeing Krishna, they're not having darshan of Krishna. They're doing so much, devotion. They sold so many books in the airport, and they did so many things. And Krishna is not reciprocating. Oh, I've been doing bhakti bhajan for so long. Why isn't Krishna? I don't have any experience. The gopis are saying the same thing. He left us. I guess we didn't love him enough. I guess the gopis weren't seeing Krishna. When he goes to Mathura, it means they're not seeing him anymore. So that's why we get inspiration. We can think, if Radharani and Lalita Vishaka, they're thinking, they're feeling, our love is not genuine, our love is not pure, our love is not selfless, and that's why Krishna is not giving us darshan, and that's why Krishna left us. So we can ask ourselves, are we seeing Krishna? Has Krishna come to us and left us? Are we seeing him? Gopis were not seeing him. So we can say, maybe I'm not seeing Krishna because my love is not genuine, my love is not pure, and my love is not selfless. Is it possible? If the gopis are questioning, Krishna's Nitya Siddhas are questioning the quality of their love, what about us? We think, I'm a really good devotee, I'm really sincere, I'm really doing nice. Apparently not. Otherwise, Krishna would show himself.